Hello children, how are you all? Hope you all are fine at home. So now welcome to Avalon Public School at home. Children, in previous class we learned about the transport system. In that we learned about roadways, railways, waterways and airways. In today's class we are going to learn about communication. Okay children? And before start this, let's learn something new. So children, playing is a very good habit. Generally what happens in today's life that we all are very busy. We don't have time to go outside in the park and in other places. So children are used to spend time with mobile phones, tablets and TVs. They are not going to play. So it is very injurious for them, as playing is also very necessary for the children, for the development, for the whole development of the children. It keeps our muscles fit and make us strong physically and mentally both. So children, we all should play at home timely. Okay? Now come on our topic. So communication. What is the communication here? Communication is the process of conveying messages to others. With the development of technology, humans have devised new and fast modes of communication. Okay children? So communication means to the process of conveying message, means transfer messages to others. That's called communication. In communication, there is sender who send message and receiver who receive the message. So these are the modes of communication like emails, WhatsApp, Facebook, Twitter, satellites, mobile phones. These are the modes of communication. So why we use communication system? So it is used for talking to people. If we want to talk to someone, then we use a mobile phone, a message, or directly we can talk. That's also include communication. Sending and receiving emails. If we have any documents, any papers we have to send, then we use email to send messages. And making phone calls or sending text message. We also can talk to by messages and by call also. For sharing information through newspapers, television and radio, we can also get information and we can inform to others by these modes of communication. So what is the importance of communication here? The importance of communication in information sharing, in education and in entertainment. It is very important part of our life. So television, newspaper, internet communication help us send and receive important information. For example, we receive news of things happening all over the world through television, the internet and the newspaper. So it is very important for us. In education, communication educates people by helping them learn new things and spreading awareness on various issues. For example, we can learn about any specific topic from the internet by reading about, by watching videos and by attending online classes as we are doing this time in corona period. Okay, so it is very helpful for everyone. You can read this research on the internet. You can watch videos of anything that you want to learn. You can take online classes also, and for entertainment also. You can listen songs, watching movies and all. So communication enables people to access sources of internet entertainment. For example, people can watch movies, play games and listen to music on the television, the radio or the internet. So modern means of communication like computer, smartphone, these are the modern means of communication. So technology has helped in the development of the various modern methods of communication. One such development is expansion of mass media. Television, newspaper, radio, these includes mass media. So what is children mass media here? Mass media refers to those means of communication that help us share information with a large number of people at the same time, like television. This expansion has largely been enabled by the development of satellites and the internet. Now at last I will tell you that satellites are also artificial satellites. Satellites play a major role in communication by receiving and sharing information in the form of radio signals. They enable television transmission and satellite navigation for aeroplanes and applications like Google Maps. They also share information about things like weather, space, and the locations of groundwater and mineral reserves. The internet is a global computer network where information can be shared. It connects billions of devices like computers and mobile phones across the world. You all know that we connect to internet and we can share our information. It has also enabled the development of social media platforms and websites like Facebook, Twitter, that allow people to share content and interact with others from around the world. Okay, children. So today we learned about communication. What is communication here? It is a process of sharing and exchanging information. So it is very useful for us in the information sharing, education and entertainment. Okay, so it creates an interconnected world, makes individual lives comfortable. Okay, children. So now revise this concept well and try to complete question answers related to this topic. Next, we will meet soon in the next session of your next chapter. Okay, children. Till then, enjoy your day, complete your work, take care of yourself and your family. Thank you. Have a great day.